months of attack ads where you have no clue what's going on, and you learn to hate everyone.
Well, thank you very much.
I was hoping...
Is socialized medicine. Yeesh. In the chaos, if everyone was able to see a doctor and didn't have to reams of paperwork or deny a life-saving surgery because it costs money, it would be anarchy. There'd be lines for bread, and we'd all be speaking Russian, Cuban, and people would because of paperwork and lack of coverage in their failure to understand the small print. Okay, Lennon, I understand you live in a socialist utopia. Fair enough. Well, I am not in the mood for this.
Come on, Hattie. Forget about the fat serf.
Lads, shut up.
But he's a serf, and you're a countess. Talking about serfs.
Oh, hey, Nico.
Where's Roman?
Good question.
Hey, Yoko, your damn cousin isn't here. Go get me a coffee.
What?
Get me a fucking coffee! Come on, I'll get you one. What? You keep staring at me. I'll burst one of your eyeballs. Gorgeous, this guy's a fucking creep.
Give him a break. He's new in the country.
I can see that. Did he walk here from 1985?
Yeah.
Excellent. Now stop fucking staring at me. I mean, I know I'm good looking and everything, but come on.
Hey, Mallory. Hey, man.
Hey.
About time.
Vladdy boy, what's going on?
Roman boy, you tell me what's going on.
Nice aftershave. What is that? Sex pest?
No, it's where is my fucking money?
I had it. I had some of it. Then those Albanians you said you would deal with came and smashed my computer.
So it's my fault?
I didn't say that.
Good.
Anyway, Nico dealt with him. Broke Darden's arm, then beat up a couple more. Then we teach them a real lesson.
Is that so? I tell you what, while you don't pay, maybe you and Nico can do me few favors.
Sure.
Good.
Why not?
Later, Vlad.
What?
The phone's ringing.
Hey. Yeah. Okay. No, I can't do it. My cousin will do it. Yes, he can drive. No, he's not a cop. His name is Nico. You'll be right over. Nico, sorry to ask, cousin. Can you go pick up Jermaine, one of my regulars? He's over on Rotterdam Hill on Mohawk Avenue?
Whatever.
What was this all about?
Nico came in looking for you, and Vlad told him to get him a fucking coffee, and Nico didn't want to.
Coffee? What was he thinking?
I know.
That we bring other couples to for healthy adventures. It's really all about health.
Some girls are into gay sex.
It's a fool.
Look at how they swim.
Thank you. Life makes no sense. You fish are gay. Back to pre-existing conditions. If your hip hurts, you should probably kill yourself. It's all over if you fall down and break a hip. Don't burden society are my bonus because you fell down. We mustn't become a nation of hypochondriacs. Just because you have insurance, why use it? Why should we pay just because we said we would?
Because you said you would.
What do you matter anyway? As a nation, we have to move forward, and we are obsessing about our healthcare system. I mean, come on! America fucking rules. We've got to conquer space and fight the war on terror, and you people are worrying about a stiff hip? Please, die.
Hey, did you know in the space station they have to drink their own piss?
I can't understand.
Come on, what is wrong with that? That's an interesting thing to say. I'm talking about interesting. All you people want to talk about is money and co-payments and stuff. I just talked about swilling piss.
Disgusting.
Steaming piss. Well, what is wrong with you people, man? No wonder you get sick. So pent up. You all need a good enema, or you might explode. That's another thing we haven't talked about. Ryan, we ain't talked about it. Euthanasia. Why are they all prostitutes? What?
Let's move that hunk of shit!
Thanks for coming. Can you take me over to Masterson Street?
Masterson Street it is, Jermaine.
So people can get them at a cheap rate and not pay a fair market price that we control. Hard medication, my ass.
Shit, I thought Roman was gonna pick me up. I need someone I can trust for this run.
I'm Roman's cousin. If you can trust him, you can trust me.
He told me about you. You're Nico, right? The hotshot ladies man cruising around the Mediterranean breaking hearts and making millions?
Yeah, I traded in the yacht for this cab. That's exactly the kind of bullshit I can imagine Roman making up. You've got to give him credit for his imagination.
Yeah, you got it. I had a feeling you sounded too good to be true. The question is, are you willing to get your hands dirty?
My hands haven't been clean for a long time. Being here in Liberty City is just making them dirtier.
Okay. I gotta pick up some hot parts from my locker. You down?
I ain't got no problem with that. Just don't tell me if you stole this shit from a hospital.
That door isn't meant to be open. Wait here while I take a look.
She learned a very valuable lesson. First off, you wouldn't be having a heart attack in the street if you had gone to the doctor the
The
day
cops are on to me! Get us out of here!
for a pill you saw on a TV commercial but don't know what it does. What it does is irrelevant.
Shit, man, you gotta lose these cops! Try not to kill anyone, okay? Lose the cop, man! Lose the fucking cop! Shit!
Diabetes is a lie, and he was in great shape because he hopped around on one leg a lot.
You used to drive it on the side of the road?
Okay, I understand what you're saying, but some people say, and when I say some people, I mean our producers. Some people say, why are HMOs making record profits while our economy is in recession? And why are the people paying more for health care than any other country?
What do you want us to do? Well, $10,000. We are saving you money.
They're gone. Thank you.
The fact is, and it's a fact, drugs are killing us, man.
You people are heading towards the dark ages. Up until the
So what brings you to Liberty City, Nico?
Roman, I guess. And some other things. I'm looking for something.
Good luck finding them. How's the hunt been going so far?
It has not really started yet. I'm getting settled in, you know. Roman has had some issues with loan sharks that needed to be resolved. There's this asshole called Vlad, who he owes money to as well.
Good luck with that.
Trust me, I've been on them for years.
What words?
Drugs are hokum pokum. That's hokum pokum, I'm telling you the truth.
No one knows what officially is hokum pokum, and that's a fact. What works?
Okay, we're here. Thanks, man. Keep looking after Roman, all right?
Colonics.
Is he a translator or something? Because I understand.